here from House to Home, and I'm about to bring you along on a project that I just got. That's right, I'm standing here in front of this camp trailer that we're going to renovate. Now, just so you know, part of it has already been done, and I kind of got brought in towards the beginning. So we're going to take a tour inside, and I'm going to show you what's been done, and I'm going to show you high level what needs to be done, and then I'm going to bring you along episode by episode as we renovate this trailer. Now, one of the cool things about this trailer is that it's actually going to be an Airbnb by the time we're done with it, and the whole thing is going to be cowboy themed. So I'm pretty excited about this. I'm standing here in beautiful sunny Dayville, Oregon right now, and with that, let's take a peek inside this trailer and see what we've got ourselves into. All right, so I'm standing here in our living/dining space, and as you can see, like I said, some work has already been done. So some of the demo has been done on this cabinetry, and this blue is actually the blue that we're going with. So kind of a denim blue look. We've got some really cool things we're going to do with the interior, because as you can see, this is the original wall back here. We want to hide that as best we can. These lights have already been spray painted, so this is what we're going to go with, a brushed bronze to black hardware throughout. We're going to have to address window coverings. We're going to address the actual wall itself, and then if you can see it, this carpet down here is coming out, and we're going to do all new flooring. So with that, let's head on over to the next space. So over here we have even more living space. So this is where a lot of the furniture is going to go. So we've got a dining situation we need to figure out. We've got seating arrangements we need to figure out. And then like I said in the intro, this is going to be rentable for a camping Airbnb experience. So we need to come up with some kind of a way for people to play games, hang out as a family, be entertained. So that's some of the problems that we're going to solve as we go into designing this. This stuff has already been demoed. It's all going to go away. Again, the carpet is gone. We're going to stick with that blue denim color, but we've got the original light fixtures here. We're going to have to update those, and then we're going to deal with the walls and, again, window coverings. So that's what this space over here is looking like. Then we come over here to the kitchen, and as you can see, again, some of the demo work's been done. We're going to stick with the blue color, but a lot of this needs a second coat of paint. So we're going to get this in tip-top shape. We've got a faucet that's already been updated with the new fixture. And then we've got some cabinet situation. We're going to get some hardware on this cabinetry, some really cute, again, cowboy themed. And then we're going to address some of these issues, the wallpaper, the window coverings, all that kind of stuff. So that is basically what we're going to do in the kitchen area here, is just get it up to par. And with that, let's go take a look at the rest of the trailer. As you can see here, very typical trailer bathroom or camp trailer bathroom. So a couple of things. This storage unit is gone. We're going to come up with a new way to store items in the bathroom, because one of the things is this is going to be parked. It's not going to move. So we don't need all this storage to actually hold stuff in place. What we need is something that is functional and trendy and just updated. Same thing with the flooring. We're going to replace this flooring, and then we're going to tackle these walls. We're going to get rid of the dingy, dated wallpaper, and we're going to add something that's updated. We're going to get rid of all the gold, and we're going to that brushed bronze or black. So those are the kind of things that we're going to be doing here in the bathroom. We're also going to be switching out some handles, make those up to date, and we're going to switch the long just because they're easier for kids, family, all that kind of stuff. With that, let's head back to the bedroom. And here is the main bedroom. So a couple of things with this. These shelving units over here, these are actually going to stay, because having shelves or an end table, so to speak, next to your master bed, big deal. But with that, we're going to update the light fixtures. We're going to get rid of the curtains. We're going to get rid of the frame here around the bed. We're going to do something with that headboard, and we're really going to make this the statement piece of this room. So this is just going to be the wow factor right here. And then this unit, this built-in back here behind me, this is actually going to stay, but we're going to update it. We're going to brighten it, we're going to clean it up, and we're going to bring it in to the 21st century. Same thing with this piece over here. We're going to keep it in, but we're going to update it. We're going to switch out hardware, paint it, make it more modernized and current. Again, walls, we got to tackle these walls. We've got some more window fixtures that are going to come out. And then, of course, the carpet also gone. We're going to update the flooring in here to some kind of a hard surface where it's super easy to clean, because the end goal of this trailer is to be an Airbnb camping experience rental. So, and I'll make sure that as we go throughout this process that I will link and list all the things that we use if I can find them. Like I said, we're going to bring you along, and I'll make sure that I have all of the information to book this space when it becomes available. Our goal for this is to have it 100% ready to go by June 1st. So how great would it be to come spend a couple nights in remote Eastern Oregon in a camp trailer with water, electricity, all the amenities, but in this great remote area where you can see deer running through. It's right next to a river. It's going to be awesome. We'll take some outside shots as well. But we're not done in here yet, so let's head on over to the other half of the bathroom. So a couple of things with this. We're going to get rid of this chunky, dated gold glass door. It's gone. We're going to switch to a more modernized, and again, that themed, cowboy theme solution for the shower. Same thing with inside with the hardware in there. We're going to get rid of this overhead piece here. We're going to keep that light fixture, but we're going to update it. And then we're going to add some kind of possible above the sink storage, but we're going to make sure we have that mirror because that's important. This is going to stay, as you can see, again, the faucet's already been replaced to the current hardware that we're going with here, and then we're going to need to paint and fix this situation. So that's updated hardware and doing something to make this all match and make it match the rest of the motif and theme within the trailer. And then again, flooring gone, new flooring's going to come. So with that, we have our work cut out for us. And like I've already stated, this is gonna be several episodes that we're gonna do this. So the whole project is gonna take about a month and a half to 2 months. It's early April right now. Again, our target date to have this rentable is June 1st. So a lot of work ahead of us, and I'm gonna bring you along the whole step of the way. And with that, let's go take some shots outside. All right, and this beautiful backdrop behind me is actually what you're gonna see when this trailer becomes rentable. So we've got the beautiful John Day River off here to my right, your left, and of course, some nice mountains, a scenic farm scene. So, and as you can tell, I mean, it's so peaceful out here and so quiet. It's just gonna be this amazing space once it's done. So we've got this gorgeous background. We're gonna have this amazing themed trailer, and it's gonna sit here on this property, and this is what you could wake up to every morning that you rent out this trailer. So with that, I'm gonna get to work because I have a lot of work to do. But as always, if you found this video useful and entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and feel free to leave me a comment on some of the things that you're most excited to see happen to this trailer. And until next time, have a great day, everyone.